you a pitch report, you've made sure it's accurate and that it lives up to the standards of independence that the New York Times believes in. It's not just people can trust what we're saying has been vetted. It's that we have gone through that process without trying to calibrate or dilute that information to appease one side or the other. If you want to support the work we do, you can subscribe to the New York Times at nytimes.com/subscribe.
Hi. Hello. Here is Cindy. Hi. Yes. Okay. So I'm Maria. Nice to. Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you. Sorry, we will be here like in a couple of minutes, like 2 minutes. Okay. He just went for some quick call. Okay. So we are now in our main office where all the meetings, also fundraising activities.